Welcome to TechWave. Today, we're diving into two of the most exciting technologies shaping our digital future: augmented reality and virtual reality. These technologies aren't just for gamers anymore. They're set to impact everything from shopping and education to medicine and beyond. Let's explore what they are, how they're different, and why they're becoming so important. First up, let's talk about augmented reality, or AR. AR overlays digital information onto the real world, enhancing our experience without completely replacing reality. If you've used filters on social media or tried apps that let you see how furniture might look in your living room, you've used AR. AR is accessible, as it mostly relies on your phone or tablet's camera to work. It's not just for fun. AR is used in retail, navigation, and even healthcare for things like guiding surgeons during complex procedures. Now let's talk about virtual reality, or VR. Unlike AR, VR immerses you in a completely digital environment, blocking out the real world. When you put on a VR headset, you could find yourself in a virtual game, an office, or even a concert hall. It's like stepping into another world. VR relies on specialized hardware like headsets and controllers, but the experience is more immersive, allowing for training simulations, virtual travel, and even social meetups in virtual spaces. Though they're often mentioned together, Arkansas and VR have distinct purposes. AR enhances the real world by adding digital elements, while VR creates a whole new digital reality. AR is more mobile and accessible since you only need a smartphone, but VR offers a full immersion experience. Each has unique benefits depending on the goal. One connects you to the real world, the other transports you somewhere else. Let's look at some of the incredible ways AR and VR are used today. Many retailers use AR to let customers try on clothes, makeup, or even see how furniture will look in their homes before they buy. IKEA's AR app, for example, lets you place virtual furniture in your room to see if it fits and matches your style. AR and VR are transforming education. Imagine medical students practicing surgery in a VR simulation before touching a real patient, or children exploring ancient civilizations through AR on a tablet. These technologies make learning more engaging and hands-on. Application 3. Entertainment and gaming. Entertainment is one of the biggest areas for AR and VR. VR gaming offers an immersive experience where players feel like they're actually in the game, while AR is enhancing everything from Pokemon Go to live concerts, where digital effects can interact with performers. Application 4. Healthcare and therapy. In healthcare, VR is used in physical and mental therapy. For example, VR can help patients with PTSD through controlled therapeutic simulations, and AR assists surgeons with real-time visuals during operations, enhancing precision. Scene 6. The future of AR and VR. So, what does the future hold? As hardware becomes more affordable, we'll likely see AR and VR integrated into daily life in ways we can't yet imagine. Think of virtual offices where you can meet colleagues from around the world, or AR glasses that give you real-time information on the go. Tech giants like Apple and Meta are investing heavily in this space, signaling that we're just at the beginning of what's possible. Closing scene. Thanks for joining us on this journey through AR and VR. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with TechWave. Let us know in the comments, how would you like to use AR or VR in your life? Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the tech that's shaping our future.